This WeatherTech mat that we pulled out of this Mercedes, obviously something wet and metal was put on it and left a lot of rust behind.
My first instinct would be, let's just hit it with all clean. But Ivan, you had a different idea.
Well, we tried all clean and this is what ended up. It didn't do anything. This is rust. Someone put a piece of metal on here and we'll see this turn to red almost immediately. So we can see how red this is now. So the iron remover, it's doing its thing. It's not gonna hurt the WeatherTech mat in any way, but it is definitely gonna clean up this rust deposit.
You're using iron remover on an interior mat.
You notice it's not inside the car. And you'll also notice how it's reacting really heavily on this. And then this nice little soft brush. We're going to agitate it. We're going to rinse it off with a hose. And it'll be like new. We'll let it dwell for a moment. And then it's gonna work off.
So Ivan, we've applied a little bit of iron remover, you've agitated it, and now you've got all clean?
Right, I'm gonna foam on a bit of all clean to clean the rest of it off, and also to get the rest of this iron remover off. So we're gonna use this a bit as a rinsing aid, but at the same time it's gonna help clean the rest of the mat. So there we go. So now take my brush again, brush the whole surface, and then we'll grab the garden hose and just rinse this off. Now, if we want to protect it afterwards, interior clean and protect, I'm going to use it almost as a drying aid.
You know what's also great about this step is it smells nice.
Yeah.
So it's neutralizing that smell of iron remover, which we don't want to bring any of that back into the car.
Right.
Interior clean and protect does protect, but it leaves the finish totally OEM. Like I'm not ever feeling like it leaves it shiny or greasy. It's
no, not at all.
Almost undetectable. It's just a slight matte pop, which I really enjoy.
Right. It leaves it, as you said, OEM. So it leaves it like it should look.
But if you're ever gonna use tire lotion or tire shine on a mat, I would say do that never, except in the case of a trunk WeatherTech like this, if there's no dogs or kids on there.
Right.
If you're just going for a visual pop, sure, you could put tire lotion on here if you'd like, but never on a mat where someone steps.
No, and if you do, wipe it off immediately.
Right.
And then try stepping on it and see how much you would enjoy slipping around your car like that. Our car that we bought at a dealership recently, they had done that to the mats. And we've tried cleaning them and they're still slippery, so.
That can be a major liability too.
It could be. So there we have it, a restored WeatherTech mat.
Looks great. Iron remover on the inside of your car, you heard it here first.
Yeah, don't do it literally on the inside of your car because you may not enjoy the smell.
But hey, that worked great.
Yep, that's exactly what this mat needed.
If you want to know something else that works great, it's ceramic gloss. In this video, check it out.